Navidad. Oh, she's so cute. Puka loves a Christmas tree. Yo guys, what's up? It's Yo Girl Z. Thank you so much for clicking on my YouTube video. As you guys can see, it's my favorite time of the year. It's Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. I have my chocolate de abuelita ready. If you're Mexican and you don't drink chocolate abuelita, I don't know what you're doing, man, but you're wasting time. Let me get that chocolate abuelita ready, or that champurrado, yes. When I was little and I used to drink chocolate abuelita, my mom would buy the big bars of chocolate and she would put them really high up in the cabinets because I was a little rascal and I would climb up with a chair and I would crack a little piece and eat it like it was a normal piece of chocolate. I mean, it is chocolate, but if you guys don't follow me on any of my socials, make sure you do. It is right here. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. This video is gonna be one of my favorites because I'm gonna show you guys how I decorated my apartment for this year's Christmas. Watch till the very end for a full view of my Christmas living room. Oh, this face though. I was very inspired by last year's Christmas. It was my first winter white Christmas. It snowed in Christmas Eve and on Christmas, and it was so beautiful that this year I got inspired to bring it into my home and make it all a winter wonderland. And I can't wait to show you guys. How cute is this? Look at this. So I didn't film how I decorated my fireplace, but I will definitely flip the camera and show you guys how I did some of the things. I'll just clip in a little voiceover and I'll point at stuff on how I did it. But what I am gonna show you is my Christmas tree. My boyfriend and I have our first apartment this year, and I decided I wanted a Christmas tree. It just feels good because it's our first apartment that we're sharing together, our first home, and I wanted to make it very warm for the holidays. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make your own DIY Christmas tree for $15. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So guys, this cute little bucket of birch trees I actually made myself as well. And I got these birch tree branches off of a lady from the Facebook market. She sold them to me for $5. I got these sticks from walking my dog right outside my apartment. Pine cones, you guys already know where, or you guys will see where I got the pine cones from. And then I also painted all these. These here, they were red, and I painted them myself. These guys right here, I spray painted myself, believe it or not. They were old spaghetti jars that were in our fridge, and I bought a little metallic spray can, and I did this all on my own. All right guys, before I really start showing you guys, this is my favorite picture. She loves Santa. We make such a cute family. All right, I'm gonna flip it now and I'm gonna show you guys what I put on my fireplace. These are old decorations, but I spray painted the garland with the snow spray to give it the snow effect. Isn't it so cute? I mean, look at this. Winter Wonderland. I'm gonna show you guys my tree now. It is super cute. Guys, this basket was just $5 at the Five Below store. So cute. And then these pine cones were free at my local park. And this 4-foot tree was just $5 at Five Below as well. Oh, saving so much money already. Anyway, I tried to fit this tree inside of the basket. That was my goal, but it didn't happen. So I had to improvise, and I got this gift wrapping paper that I had in my storage. And I figured if I just crumbled a bunch of paper in there and filled up the entire basket to add some weight to it, I can maybe get the tree stuck in there without the base of it. That didn't work, so I had to get this foamy thingy from the Dollar Tree store. So you can see I didn't put that in, and I ended up getting stuck in there. Look, it worked. Yay. All right, now I'm just gonna, you know, spread its little branches and make sure that it looks like a tree. So the tree was too light and kept tipping over with the basket, so I had to improvise and add rocks inside the basket to keep it from tipping over. Because my theme is Winter Wonderland, I bought this snow can from Walmart for $1 to add the snowy effect. And it worked. Look at it. It doesn't even look like I made it. It looks like I bought it at Target for like $40. Back to my pine cones, you're gonna need some white paint, $1 at Walmart, some paint brushes, $1 as well, and your pine cones that were free from the park. So now we're gonna paint them and add the snowy Winter Wonderland effect. Literally a bag like this at Target will cost you like $20. I'm trying to save as much money as possible, so I got these old decorations. They were red, and I painted them white all by myself. It was so hard to do. Anyway, I wanted to save money on more decorations, so that's why I did this, so that I can add more decoration to my Christmas tree and make it more winter wonderland. Ooh, now the fun part, decorating with ornaments and frosty icicles. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here she is. She is just gorgeous. So here it is with my little white balls and the pine cones that I painted. I feel so proud of myself. I only spent $15 on all of this. It just feels so good when you're done with a project and it turns out amazing. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. I hope that you guys have a Feliz Navidad, a Merry Christmas, and make sure that you guys spend your money wisely. Don't go too crazy. And if you're gonna decorate your house or your home or your apartment, I hope this video really helped you get inspired to create something of your own for your home, or maybe you want to create a DIY gift for someone, because those are pretty cool to give. And yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified whenever I upload any of my future videos. Alright guys, besos, ciao. Let me get my chocolate, abuelita. Bye guys, happy holidays.